That's the big constriction point, first constriction point. And as you go west, it gets more and more narrow. And so everything east of there is where the water ponds. When it flooded, it ponded up, and so you have all these fine silty soils. And then over here you get into the gravel and sand soils. So I feel like that's kind of the marker for the beginning of the gorge. You can see it's working its way through the process. Like, try that berry. Still fresh and acidic.
Right.
But it's interesting that it's kind of moving into it.